Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Brave browser versus DuckDuckGo. Now if you don't know what these two are, Brave is a privacy-first web browser with built-in ad blocking and optional crypto rewards. And DuckDuckGo on the other hand is a lightweight privacy-focused browser that emphasizes simplicity and anonymous browsing. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Brave here. So the pros of Brave is that it has a built-in ad blocker, and you can earn crypto, which is the Batcoin, and it has Tor integration for extra privacy. Now, what the cons of it is that crypto features may be unnecessary for some people, and it is slightly heavier than the DG browser, and it occasionally breaks websites due to strict blocking. So the ad blocking on Brave browser is very aggressive. So you will get only a few ads if you're using this browser. Now let's head on over to DuckDuckGo here. So the pros of DuckDuckGo is that it has an extremely simple and clean UI. It is focused solely on privacy without extras, and it has app tracking protection, which is only on mobile. And the cons of it is that it has fewer features than full browsers, and you have limited customization, and you have no support for extensions as of now. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Brave if you want a full-featured Chrome-like browser with strong privacy and optional crypto perks, and use DuckDuckGo browser for a minimal, fast, no-frills browsing experience with core privacy protection. And that is it. That is the difference between Brave and DuckDuckGo. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.